How to cancel Shopify subscription. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online store with ease, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates, making it accessible to users with little to no technical background. And Shopify also offers a features such as secure payment processing, inventory management, marketing tools, and integration with various sales channels, including social media and third party marketplaces. And now to create an account, you can simply click the login button or the start free trial button, and after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage, and it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to navigate. And from here to start canceling the subscription, you can firstly click your profile icon on the top right corner, and it will show you a variety of options to choose from, and just proceed by simply clicking this manage account button. Upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page, and just go to the security section, in which from here before you start canceling your subscription, you also need to make sure that some of the things in here are considered, including this two-step authentication. Make sure that the authentication method is now been off, since it has been used to enter your email and password and complete a second step to prove that it's you logging in to your Shopify account. And make sure to also log out some of the devices in here by clicking the logout button, and only leave the account or these devices that you're using currently. And when you already make sure that authentication has now been off, and also log out the other devices aside from you using, you're now be able to be directed on again on this page, and just click the settings option below here. By clicking on it, it will show you in here the option once again, and just click the plan option. And upon choosing here, you should be able to see your current plan. However, as you can see, I'm using my trial plan in here. But these basically some of the plan that you can choose from once you try to avail some of the plan that Shopify offer. We have here Basic, Grow, Advanced, and Plus plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits included on each plan. So basically, you can simply click the cancel subscription button right here, and after that, you simply answer the question and fill out the required information, including to select your reason why you're trying to cancel your trial or your subscription in here. But since I'm using the free trial, let's say I'm going to cancel this one by clicking cancel trial button. And after that, on this pop-up window, just simply click or check these boxes that you have now been reviewed the information above. But as you can see, you could also cancel the additional store connected to your account. But before you start canceling your free trial or your subscription, make sure to also uninstall some of the other applications that you've been installed on Shopify, especially when some of these applications you purchase some of the plan, since some of these applications can still charge you even you have not successfully unsubscribed or cancel your subscription on Shopify in here. But overall, that is just basically how to cancel Shopify subscription.